Hi, today we are going to see demo for campus placement PHP web application. First open the XAMPP control panel. Then start the Apache and MySQL. Next click on the MySQL admin. Here you can able to see the backend database tables on this page. Next go to the Visual Studio. First explore the placement folder. Then you can view the addressing files and the source code. Then click on the readme text file. Here you can view the login details and web application URL link. So copy to paste the URL link on the browser. Now you can view the campus placement web application. First enter the admin ID and login into the admin homepage. Login successfully. Now we can view the admin homepage. It's have 4 modules. First go to the add user. Here admin can add the user and officer's details on this page. So enter the student and officer's details. Then select the user type. Next submit. Next go to the view user. Here you can view the all student and officer's details on this page. Then admin can update and delete the IDs. Next go to the manage department. Here you can view the all department on this page. Next create to update and delete the departments. Then go to the placement result. Here you can view the all student placement result on this page. Next we will move for the officer's home page. So enter the officer ID and password. Login successfully. Here you can see the 5 modules. First go to the add placement. Officers will be create the placement on this page. So enter the placement details, then click on the submit. Next go to the view placement. Here you can view the all placement details on this page and then you can update and delete the informations. Next go to the add news. Here you will be add a placement news on this page. Next go to the placement result. Officers will be update the placement results on this page. So view the student details, then you can select, click on the select. In case for student will be reject, click on the reject. Now update the placement result. Next we will move for the student homepage. So enter the student ID and password. So you can view the student homepage. It's have 4 modules. First go to the apply placement. Here you can view the all placement details on this page. Then you click on the apply. Then you enter your name. Then apply the placement. Next go to the my placement. Here you can view our placement status on this page. Then my profile is used to edit your profiles. That's the whole campus placement PHP web application.